In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share a document via WhatsApp. So if you want to send someone a document, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. Should this help, please like and subscribe. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your WhatsApp and then go to the contact you wish to send the document. Once you are here, now instead of typing the message, go ahead and tap on this file icon. Now this will give you various options such as to send an image if you want to send from gallery, if you want to take a photo, location, contact, and so on. For our case, we want to send a document, therefore I'll choose document option here. Now this will take you to your phone, and to get the document, go to browse documents here, and this will list the documents that you have. And here, go ahead and choose the document that you wish to send, and finally tap on send icon here, and now the recipient will receive the document via WhatsApp. So that's how you can send a document via WhatsApp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.